everyone, it's Naomi with the Institute of Urban Ecology at Douglas College. I'm here working from home in self-isolation like a lot of you are as well, but one of the things we're working on with IUE is getting some online tutorials or workshops videos ready for you to watch and learn at home. But looking around here, the setup I have to work with, the equipment I have, it's pretty funny. And so I wanted to share this little video on the how it's made IUE edition. Enjoy. So, one of the biggest problems for me for working from home is that my home is a 500 square foot downtown apartment. Luckily, I do have these nice, big, beautiful windows for some natural light, but the rest of my floor and wall space, for that matter, is pretty cluttered, which makes it a little difficult to find a good space to film. So this is my collapsible IKEA dining room table. This has been my work desk for the past week and a bit. And this lovely setup of the table, the blue chair, and the pink box, this is my makeshift tripod. And now the key to the tripod is up here. By using this eraser and wedging it into the box, I can get just the right angle on my phone for filming. But again, to find a backdrop that wasn't too busy or cluttered, this is the best I had to work with. This is my bedroom door, folks. And since it is just me working here with my coworker, Zena, who's just about as lazy as some of my coworkers at the restaurant job I have. Just kidding, just kidding. It is going to take some time. It's taken a lot of, I'm learning lots. But I do want to try to get these IUE workshop at home videos ready for you as soon as possible. So stay tuned for those. And in the meantime, stay inside and stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.